Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you about our clip-on tow mirrors.
The clip-on tow mirror attaches to your vehicle's factory mirror, providing more visibility to give you a safer towing experience. The mirror itself measures 5 inches by 7.5 inches, and it universally fits on any driver or passenger side mirror. The ball and socket adjustment allows you to adjust it 360 degrees, and installation is easy and requires no tools. First, extend the arms all the way out so that they're parallel with each other. Then clip the arms into place under your vehicle's factory mirror. Once it's set, wrap the rubber straps behind your vehicle's mirror and fasten the buckles into place. The straps may need to be adjusted depending on your vehicle's mirror size. Also available from Camco is the clip-on Duel-View Tow Mirror. This mirror measures 8 inches by 5.5 inches and is made to fit onto 7 to 10 inch tall vehicle mirrors. It features a larger mirror and a smaller mirror that can adjust independently from each other. And it's aerodynamically designed to reduce vibration.
And there you have it. If you don't have a pair of Camco's clip-on tow mirrors, you should get some today.
Camco.net.